Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, spotlighting our vertical links for the 2020 and later Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang. When Ford developed the S550 chassis and ultimately released it to the public in 2015, they really hit a home run. And when they were developing the GT500, there was a lot of pressure on them to follow up the last generation car with even more power and even more performance. And they took a lot of what they learned through the first years of the S550 and put it into the GT500. For those of you moving over from an S550 Mustang or have researched them quite a bit, you'll notice right away that the vertical links for the Shelby GT500 are substantially shorter. And there's a good reason for this. When Ford spec'd the car with massive rear brakes to offset the ridiculously large front brakes, they needed some additional space at the back end. I mean, again, they were up against some lofty goals, as we noted earlier. Most specifically about the rear brakes is they had to go to a separate brake caliper, an electronically controlled caliper for the parking brake. This is where they required some extra space. Now, there's a point of contention here. Not so much that the vertical link is needed. In fact, this is going to greatly help reduce wheel hop and get you off the line much faster. But the point of contention is, and tell us what your thought, did Ford do this because they needed the additional space, or is there a performance benefit to having a shorter vertical link? I won't tell you what we're thinking, but we want to know what your thought is. Building on the functionality of the vertical links, their job is to reduce the amount of deflection that the wheel carrier has versus the lower control arm. Now, what's interesting about this is the lower control arm is designed to move up and down. Again, we're going to leave all deflection out of this for at least the sake of this conversation. Whereas the wheel carrier is designed to, of course, hold the axle and the wheel bearing. But at a hard acceleration, that wheel carrier wants to rotate forward. It's the job of the vertical link to prevent this. So really, it's trying to keep two things, they're trying to move different directions from doing so. It's kind of like keeping oil and water working together, or Republicans and Democrats working together. Improving on the factory vertical links, we've used the highest level of materials, starting with constructing the vertical links of CNC billet lightweight aluminum. And for the inserts, we use high-grade nickel-plated steel for corrosion resistance and, of course, strength. And now the real beauty behind these are the Delrin Bushings. These will eliminate deflection. That deflection is what, again, causes things to move in different directions or doesn't allow them to move in different directions. This will reduce wheel hop and improve responsiveness and get the car off the line no matter how much power you're making. We proudly manufacture these in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility because speed matters. Now, if you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share it with other enthusiasts. We really appreciate the feedback that you guys have given us and the subscribers that have joined our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And if you'd like to learn more about this product and many of the other great products we offer for the GT500, Mustangs, or other Fords that you'd like to make faster and improve upon, visit Steeda.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.